Clear Neo is one of the most advanced and popular techniques today for removing glasses. It not only corrects vision but also provides the patient with excellent clarity, contrast, and high definition vision. It has several advantages over Silk or Smile, such as low energy pulses. Zemer is a low energy platform that works on just 2 to 4 nanojoules, while other technologies like Silk and Smile operate at 50 nanojoules, around 10 times high energy. Basically, more the energy used on the cornea, the more side effects it has. High energy can cause heat and damage to the corneal tissue, leading to more inflammation after surgery and longer recovery time. Using low energy means minimal damage to the cornea, almost no swelling after surgery, extremely fast healing, and negligible pain. Second is overlapping laser spots. In Clear Neo, the laser spots overlap with each other. This means that the entire cut is smooth and continuous with no gaps or leftover tissue. This makes it easy for the surgeon to remove the lenticule, making the surgery very smooth. In older lenticule procedure, laser spots were large and left gaps between them, making it hard to separate the lenticule properly and often complicating the surgery. In some cases, lenticule couldn't be removed completely. Third is nanospot size. Each laser spots cover a certain area in the eye, which is called spot size. A larger spot size releases more energy, increasing the risk of inflammation and delayed healing. Clear spot size is 100 times smaller than that of other techniques, which is why healing is fastest with this method. Fourth is customized energy by zone. This means customized energy levels, for example, low energy in the center and slightly higher in the periphery, allowing for a tailored cut for every patient, resulting in better clarity and improved visual outcome. Fifth, compact design, which is patient-friendly. Most lenticule-based machines are bulky. Their head positions directly over the patient's eye, which can cause anxiety and pressure to many cases. But Clear Neo has been designed to be very compact despite having all the latest features, avoiding this problem entirely. Sixth, flexible robotic arm for better comfort and lesser redocking. Docking is the process in which laser machine locks onto the eye to apply the laser. If the center isn't aligned properly during docking, machine needs to be redocked. Other machines required frequent redocking, which is time consuming and tedious. Also during redocking, pressure is applied to the eye, causing discomfort, but Neo uses a flexible robotic arm that allows slight eye movement even after docking, so redocking isn't needed. Seventh, OCT imaging advantage. Clear Neo features an integrated microscope with OCT, which provides the surgeon with high-resolution live visual data. This improves the accuracy of the lenticule incision and is another reason why its results are far better than the other lenticule-based machine. Eighth, cyclotorsion compensation. Clear Neo provides an advanced eye tracking system with cyclotorsion compensation, meaning if the patient's eye naturally rotates even slightly, the laser adjusts accordingly. This makes the cylindrical power correction more accurate and results even more precise. Ninth, no corneal flap. Flap-based LASIK like Contoura and Innovyze have a higher rate of complication compared to other LASIK techniques, whether it is flap-related issues or post-surgery problem like corneal ectasia or epithelial ingrowth. Also, the most common side effect after LASIK is dry eyes. In lenticle extraction, there is no risk of flap-related complication and risk of dry eye is minimal. So you get both comfort and clear vision right from the first day. 10th, FDA approval. While Silk is developed by a US-based company, it still hasn't received FDA approval for lenticule extraction. On the other hand, Clear, developed by Swiss company, is FDA approved. All these points clearly showed that Clear Neo is far superior to Silk and Smile. Clear Neo LASIK, the patient can resume daily activities the very next day, like going to work, watching TV, and using mobile phone, or doing household chores. If you are also looking to get rid of your glasses, Clear Neo LASIK is a reliable option. While Silk or Smile costs 60,000 per eye, iMantra offers you this advanced and latest Clear Neo technology at a discounted price of just 50,000 per eye. At iMantra, our motto is best treatment at affordable cost. So don't wait. Call our helpline number today and book your free consultation. If you have any other questions about eye conditions or surgery, feel free to ask us in comments.